Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dissect and analyze the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into a crucial component of our everyday tech arsenal, the Duracell 2032 lithium battery. But not just any battery, this is the best battery for car remote keys available. Let's find out why. First off, let's talk about compatibility. The Duracell 2032 lithium battery is not just your average power source. It's specifically designed to cater to a range of devices, including car remote keys, Apple AirTags, and more. With its 3 volts power, it ensures consistent and reliable performance. Now, what sets this battery apart from the rest? Well, for starters, it comes with child safety features. Duracell has gone the extra mile to ensure that this battery is not only powerful but safe for families too. With a bitter coating to deter swallowing and child-secure packaging, you can have peace of mind knowing that your loved ones are protected. But don't just take our word for it. Let's hear from some satisfied users. As you can see, customers love the reliability and longevity of these batteries. Whether it's powering their car remote keys or essential home devices, Duracell delivers on its promise of quality. Let's break down the benefits further. Not only does the Duracell 2032 lithium battery offer long-lasting power, but it's also designed for dependability. With a guaranteed shelf life of 10 years, you can stock up without worrying about expiration dates. And speaking of durability, Duracell has put these batteries through rigorous testing to ensure they can handle whatever life throws at them. From extreme temperatures to high-drain devices, these batteries are up to the task. So, there you have it, folks. The Duracell 2032 lithium battery is not just a power source, it's a peace of mind. Whether you're securing your car or tracking your valuables with an AirTag, trust Duracell to keep you powered up and protected. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on the products you love.